Hello friends. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about keeping your skin youthful, your joints healthy, and your body strong. We're talking about collagen, the protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure and strength of our skin, bones, muscles, and tendons. And guess what? You can boost your body's collagen production by simply adding certain foods to your diet. So, let's explore the top 11 foods that help your body produce collagen. Section 1. What is collagen? Before we dive into the foods, let's quickly understand what collagen is. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, providing structure to our skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. It acts like a glue that holds everything together. However, as we age, our body's natural collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint pain. Factors such as sun exposure, smoking, and a poor diet can accelerate collagen breakdown. But don't worry, you can boost your collagen levels naturally by incorporating the right foods into your diet. Section 2. Foods that boost collagen production. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of collagen, as it's made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues. This process releases collagen into the broth, making it an excellent way to support your body's collagen levels. Nutritional benefits. Bone broth contains amino acids like glycine and proline, which are the building blocks of collagen. It also provides essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. How to consume. Enjoy a warm cup of bone broth on its own, or use it as a base for soups and stews. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C helps link the amino acids that form collagen, acting as a glue that holds the collagen fibers together. Nutritional benefits. Besides collagen production, vitamin C also supports the immune system and acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the skin from free radical damage. How to consume. Start your day with a glass of lemon water, add orange slices to your salad, or snack on a grapefruit. 3. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which are vital for collagen production. Nutritional benefits. The antioxidants in berries help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can degrade collagen and lead to premature aging. How to consume. Add berries to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur, which is necessary for collagen production. It also has lipoic acid and taurine, compounds that help rebuild damaged collagen fibers. Nutritional benefits. Sulfur aids in collagen synthesis and helps maintain the structure of connective tissues. How to consume. Add garlic to your dishes to enhance flavor and boost your collagen levels. Try it in soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are essential for collagen synthesis. Nutritional benefits. Chlorophyll, which gives these greens their color, has been shown to increase the precursor to collagen in the skin. Additionally, leafy greens provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. How to consume. Incorporate leafy greens into your salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. 6. Eggs. Eggs, especially the whites, are rich in proline, an amino acid that plays a significant role in collagen production. Nutritional benefits. Eggs also provide other essential nutrients like vitamin D, B vitamins, and healthy fats. How to consume. Enjoy a healthy omelet, boiled eggs, or scrambled eggs to give your body a collagen boost. 7. Fish. Fish, particularly those with skin like salmon and mackerel, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help protect the collagen in your skin from damage. Nutritional benefits. Fish skin is also directly rich in collagen peptides. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and support overall skin health. How to consume. Include fish in your diet at least twice a week. Enjoy grilled salmon, mackerel, or sardines for a collagen-boosting meal. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage and supports collagen production. Nutritional benefits. Lycopene has been shown to protect skin from UV damage, which can degrade collagen and lead to wrinkles. How to consume. Incorporate tomatoes into your salads, sauces, and soups. Try a fresh tomato salsa or a tomato-based pasta sauce. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are high in zinc and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which support collagen synthesis. Nutritional benefits. Zinc is essential for collagen production and also helps with skin repair. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support skin health. How to consume. Snack on a handful of nuts, add seeds to your smoothies, yogurts, or sprinkle them on your salads. 10. Bell peppers. Red, yellow, and green bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and capsaicin, an anti-inflammatory compound that may help protect your collagen from breaking down. Nutritional benefits. Capsaicin also supports healthy blood flow, which is important for skin health. How to consume. Add bell peppers to your stir-fries, salads, or eat them raw as a crunchy snack. Stuffed bell peppers are also a delicious option. 11. Avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and vitamin C, all of which are important for maintaining healthy skin and promoting collagen production. Nutritional benefits. The healthy fats in avocados help keep your skin moisturized and supple. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage. How to consume. Enjoy avocado toast, add avocado slices to your salads and sandwiches, or blend them into a creamy smoothie. Section 3. Conclusion. Incorporating these 11 foods into your diet can help boost your body's natural collagen production, keeping your skin radiant and your joints healthy. Remember, a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is key to maintaining overall health and wellness. Additionally, staying hydrated, getting adequate sleep, and protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure are crucial for maintaining healthy collagen levels. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.